So if I move forward, so this MATLAB app designer, okay, so this MATLAB app designer, it is a complete the solution available into MATLAB that will gives you that a programming or the GUI layouts, okay. So it will provides a fully integrated version of MATLAB, okay, and the large set of interactive UI components. So it also offers a grid layout manager to organize your user interface and automatic the reflow options to make your app detect and respond to changes in screen size, okay. So you can interactively change your screen size also. So it's also distribute apps by packaging them into the installer files directly from the app designer tooltip, or by creating a standalone desktop or web app. But to do this, you will require a MATLAB compiler toolbox, right? So with this app designer, you can build your app. You can design whatever the user interface that you want. You can interact closely with this different component libraries are available there. You can also share app using MATLAB compiler, right? So we'll just go to the MATLAB environment again. Let me close this. Now, if I type here app designer, so MATLAB will open app designer tool for me. Okay. Or you can also go here into this apps tab. See here, this tool is a ready-made tool is over here. If you click on this, so same window will available for you. So this is the most recent apps that I was working here. So this is the list that apps, the list it will give you the MATLAB. Okay. So if you see this blank app, you can create a blank app from here. So this is the things that already available into MATLAB. So you don't want to invest your time onto this the pre-built the component library there. So you can work with this 2 panel app with auto reflow things, or 3 panel app with auto reflow, okay. So these are some the 30 or 50% the component library that you can build yourself, right? Now if you click on this blank app option, so app designer, this is the GUI of app designer, right? So this is the window that if you see this component library, okay. So in this component library, different GUI or the blocks which available according to application. For example, if I want to work with the grid layout, the grid layout, the libraries available there. For example, the figure tools is there, instrumentation purpose is there for lamp, knob, gauge, and discrete knob. So these are some the libraries which are available in this app designer tool, right? So this is the canvas of this MATLAB app designer tool. Okay. So this is the design view which we can see. Okay. We can also you know slow small it down here from whatever the the according to our work. If you see this code view, so MATLAB, this is already a written code is there. Okay. So you don't have to modify it. If I go back to the design flow or design view, what I can do, I want to create one demo here today. So, for example, if my vehicle is running beyond the 60 km, then that some warning system should be give me. Okay, so that warning should be in 1 and 0 form. For example, my vehicle is running beyond the 60 km, then value should be in 1. Okay, so I will just give the output like 1. If the vehicle is running below 60 km, the value or the warning should be in 0. Okay, so what I can do, I can simply go here this common library section, and I want this edit field. Okay, I want the value in numeric field. Okay, you can also do this like in text form. So here I just want to in numeric segment, right? So I have just dragged it and dropped here into this canvas of this app designer. Again, I need some slider to accelerate our vehicle. Okay, so this will work for us acceleration. Also, to check out the speedometer. Okay, so this will this gauge will work for me as a accelerator. Okay, so I'll just annotate it. So this is our warning. Okay, so this is our warning, and this is our acceleration, and this is the speedometer. Okay, so this will work for me as a speedometer, right? So this is acceleration. I'll move it as, so speed will, so this value will change here, right? So now if I click on here this acceleration tab and right click, so this will come. And if I click on this callback function, so I can give some functions there, right? So as it is, this function has been created for me. So I will not do this. So I just want to save this and create new variables using this v command. Again, what I can do, I can use this app for speedometer gauge. Okay, so I want to give the value to speedometer gauge. Okay, speedometer gauge. Okay, so you don't have to write the fully name. MATLAB automatically gives you, okay, speedometer gauge, and saving this into the value. Okay, value, saving this thing to v variable, right? If I do this now, I'm giving the logic things. Okay, if my vehicle is running beyond the 60 kilometer, is greater than or equal to 60 kilometer, then this the app should give me value into one form, right? So for that, what I can do, I can use this app, also applying it on the warning field. So I'm interacting with this warning, as you can see here, this warning library. Okay, so this block that I can work with, right? So warning edit field. Okay, using this like in value, what are the value that I have applied, it will store it here, right? With semicolon. Else, okay, if vehicle is not running beyond the 6 kilometer, then it should be given value in zero form, right? So what it will give me, again I'll do this app warning field. Okay, again I'm accessing this values and zero, right, using this semicolon. So let's test this thing. If I click on this run button, so MATLAB will tell me that first save me this app. So I'll just like use this app to. Just a second, it is taking time. So this is our GUI app that we have created. Okay. So as of now that if I if I move this cursor, okay, so value should be give me. Okay, if the vehicle is running 32 kilometers, still the value is zero. If the vehicle is still running on the 56 kilometers, still value is zero. Now if I move forward, okay, it is giving some error. Okay. Okay, as you can see that, so warning that if the vehicle is running beyond the 60 kilometer, the value is, or this warning is giving me this sign. Okay, so one. Okay, so this way that you can create your UI apps into MATLAB. So this was the demo for this MATLAB app designer.